Hi there, I am Russel Tatam. I'm from Barking in East London in England. And I'm a humanities teacher at Sri KDU International School. I specialise in teaching geography and I've been here since August 2022. So for me, the best moments are those moments where you feel like you make a difference, maybe where you motivate people, inspire people and try and really help support them. So for example, that can be at the end of years when they receive their qualifications, that look on that child's face when they get a grade they weren't expecting, something better than usual, when you really feel like all the effort that you've put in has really helped them and supported them and made a difference. The things that inspire me most are the children themselves, being in the classroom on the day-to-day, that day-to-day grind, but really forming those relationships with children, getting to know them and really trying to help and support them most, taking them on that journey. You might see them from year 7 all the way up, maybe even to year 13, building those relationships and really trying to help them. So first of all, I'd say that Malaysia is an amazing country. So if you're international, come to Malaysia. It's a great experience, family orientated, really a great climate and place to live in. In terms of Sri KDU, it's a great working environment, working with some great people that are really approachable. They help you to support you, to help develop you, and it's a great place to work, and the children here are fantastic.